Alright, this is also very nice today. You're on the, but the charm is not in use.
Yeah.
On the 15th of July 2025, what was the address?
Pohjoinen Liipolankatu 10, staircase B.
Yes, and you can watch the staircases A and C here as well. It's also in Liipola. Lahti, Finland. Built in 1971. Modernized in 2002. Consumer 6251560. West is 4 bus, 13 20 grams. You can take 2 rides because it has no indoors too.
Yeah.
And bottom driven eco disc machine here. That's also quite a rare solution.
Yeah.
For 2002 was quite rare.
Yeah. I filmed Staircase C many years ago, and you filmed it last year.
Yeah. But they had not been like locked off. Were they always locked?
Yeah, they were open when I filmed, but I filmed only one of them.
Yeah. No, all 3 in this building were filmed.
Yeah.
But nobody's coming.
Ja, spektiivt paljon kontrollia meidän professionaalis gratis.
The buttons don't beep and they don't need to.
Yeah.
No, the cab is the original, the manual doors too. They just replaced the interior here.
Yeah.
That's it. And we just take the
That's